Now we are talking about trading a gap. So let's say if the gap is against a trend, you are seeing a good uptrend, and there is a sudden gap down, and you panic. In the panic, you would like to sell and get out of the trade, but you must take it as it's a good opportunity, and you get it is also a best place to buy stock at cheaper price. So if the trend is down and the opening gap is upside, you may able to get short entry at better price if the trend is down. So if initial gap takes the price action towards some critical level of the support, let's say if the gap down is at the particular level of the support or resistance like moving average, pivot level, or other kind of support or resistance like previous day moving average, if there is a gap down at that region, you may consider actually it is a big advantage to you. That means that the stock is going to go long very soon, or go in a go with a much momentum after that. So, but you must wait for the first fear movement settles before you see the current trend resuming. Before the current trend resume, the price must go a little bit higher or lower. So you must wait for the until the current trend is returns. After the gap down or gap up against the current trend, you must see a support level or resistance level, but you must not panic and wait for the correct time to enter the trade. Always remember, what goes up must come down. What goes up must come down, and what goes down must come up. So at the time and space for the trend to resume, it will. Make sure the decision do not rush. Always remember, the market the market impatience leads to a tragedy. I'm only waiting a few minutes or few days, you can see a good position where to entry, where not to entry. This level of patience is missing everyone. I'm not saying you to wait for days long or more days or more years. I'm just saying you to wait one or more candle from where you are and see if it is working out. So now let's talk about the gap in trend direction that puts an end to the current trend. How to know the gap that also knows the current trend is going to end? You can see there will be occasion when the trend is driving the price in a specific direction with the several calendars that used to show it. The several candles have only green, and you are moving to in a good direction. This gives us that there is a good momentum in the trading. But when the movement is overstretched, it takes market to the some serious or important resistance level or support level. If it is a downturn, it is a resistance or a support. Then there will be an immediate pullback out from there. This overextended price might be looking for a reason to correct. There could be profit booking that takes price back, moves towards the moving average. So when you see that sort of momentum towards a resistance, you might wait until it's the resistance. After that, you can observe what it is doing. If it is yeah, then changes the trend, you can enter there. Don't rush into a trading.